Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee cover. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and about 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This makes cleanup a breeze and ensures your toffee won't stick. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your butter and granulated sugar. Place it over medium heat, stirring constantly. Watch as the mixture transforms, turning a beautiful golden brown. It's crucial to use a candy thermometer here. We're aiming for exactly 295 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for achieving that delightful, crisp, hard crack stage that defines perfect toffee. Once your toffee reaches the target temperature, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly stir in the vanilla extract and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Be careful, as the mixture is very hot. Now, pour the molten toffee onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Using an offset spatula, spread it evenly into a thin layer. Remember to work swiftly, as the toffee cools and sets quite rapidly. For the grand finale, immediately sprinkle your 1 cup of chocolate chips over the hot toffee. The residual heat will melt them beautifully. After a few minutes, spread the melted chocolate evenly across the surface with a spatula. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour. Once firm, simply break it into delightful, irregular pieces. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.